Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. How are you? I hope you are fine and studies regularly. My previous lecture was Chapter 12, Heredity in Organism and Evolution. From Chapter 12, one important creative question already I had discussed. Today is Chapter 12, another creative question. Okay, Chapter 12, Heredity in Organism and Evolution. Lecture 2. First one, you saw an creative question. The creative question you saw, first one, this is a cell. Okay, cell, and from the cell a structure that is indicate P. Okay, P. You think that what will be P, and from P, figure P, one structure, and that is indicated Q. Okay, so P and Q. This is figure R, cell P and Q. Please think about. Then figure S, female, male. Here I indicate female, male, and here also a picture of male and a picture of female also you will get. You will get in your test paper in this portion a male figure and a female figure. Okay. So a long question, what is color blind or what is pyrimidine? What is color blind and what is pyrimidine? Okay, what is color blind? Color blindness is a condition when someone cannot properly identify any color. Okay, someone cannot properly identify any color. So, color blindness is a condition. Some condition. Color blindness is a condition when someone cannot properly identify any color. Being color blind, the patient is sufficient of color identify pigment. Okay, this is the lack of the pigment that are used for color identified. Pigment in their optical nerve. Okay, where deficiency in their optical nerve and suffers from color blindness. Okay, this is the answer of color blindness. Then go to what is pyrimidine. You know pyrimidine and purine is the nitrogen bases of DNA. Okay, pyrimidine in the structure of DNA, cytosine and thymine. Okay, C and T known as pyrimidine. So A and G known as purine. Okay, A and G, adenine and guanine. Bases of DNA are collectively called purine. Okay, A and G is called purine and C and T is called pyrimidine. C means cytosine and T means thymine. Bases are called pyrimidine. Okay. Then go to B question. Which disease is the required abnormal state of red blood cell? Explain. Which disease? Okay, which disease? The disease acquiring abnormal state of RBC. Okay, RBC means red blood cell. Which disease is the requiring abnormal state of RBC? Okay, RBC explained. Which disease? RBC means red blood cell. Okay. Which disease is the acquiring abnormal state of RBC, red blood cell? Explain. The disease acquiring abnormal state of red blood cells is thalassemia. Okay, this is known as thalassemia. Because of this disease, red blood cells disintegrate. The patient suffer from anemia. Okay, this disease genetically passes from generation to generation. In Bangladesh context, thalassemia is an important hereditary blood problem. ওকে, আমাদের দেশে এটা একটা বড় সমস্যা, গুরুত্বপূর্ণ সমস্যা বর্তমানে নাও এ ডেজ। ইট ইজ সাজেস্ট দ্যাট এভরি ইয়ার 7,000 babies are born with thalassemia, and at present the number of patients may be 1 lakh. Okay, nowadays the number of patient 1 lakh. It is an autosomal recessive disorder. This is an autosomal recessive disorder. That means when both father and mother are the carrier or both are the patient of thalassemia, only then does it dominated in the offspring. Okay. Then go to number C. Explain the structure Q mark. Okay, explain the structure of Q mark part of the figure R. Figure R Q mark part. I think you guess this Q portion name. Okay, here P is chromosome. Here cell to P, centromere and chromatid. So P is chromosome and Q is DNA. Okay, you know that. D is DNA. Okay, Q mark part of the stem is DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. My previous lecture, I was discussed the structure of DNA in broadly. Okay, and with figure. Today I discuss something. The structure of DNA is described below. The main component of a chromosome is DNA. Full meaning is deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA full meaning is deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA full meaning is only ribonucleic acid. It is usually a double-stranded spiral structure of polynucleotide. You know what is polynucleotide? 5 carbon sugar, nitrogen base and inorganic phosphate. Okay, 3 is called nucleotide. Okay, so spiral structure of polynucleotide. One stance is comparatively to the other. In it there are 5 carbon sugar, nitrogen base. Here nitrogen base is ATCG, adenine, T thymine, G guanine, C cytosine. Okay, and inorganic phosphate. These 3 components collectively are called the nucleotide. Already I have told that. DNA is a stable structure in a chromosome. Nitrogen bases are 2 types. Okay, purine and pyrimidine. Adenine and guanine are purines and C and T are pyrimidine. The adenine of one strand bond with the thymine. A always bonded T. Okay, A double bond T. Here double bond hydrogen bond. Okay, another strand by hydrogen bond. The guanine of the helix connected with a cytosine, and C and G is another helix by 3 hydrogen bond. Okay, this bond is always developed between a purine and pyrimidine. So a strand of DNA is comparatively to another strand but not identical to it. A complete twist in a helix is 34° angstrom long, and in a complete twist there are 10 nucleotides. How many nucleotides? 10. So the length between two adjacent nucleotides is 3.4° angstrom. Okay. The two strands of polynucleotide is DNA are positioned anti-parallelly. They are anti-parallelly. Okay. 5 carbon, 3 carbon, alter 3 carbon, 5 carbon. It looks like runs in a twisted ladder. The bases are connected fatly and horizontally in position from the main axis. The helix diameter, okay, structure everywhere is 20° angstrom. Okay, these are the structure of DNA, and must draw a figure. Then go to P mark part plays an important role to determination of figure X. Here P mark part is chromosome, and S, figure S. Figure S means male and female. So here your answer will be determination of sex. Okay. P mark part of figure R in the stem is chromosome, and S represent male and female. Chromosome plays an important role in determination of human sex. In the cells of human body, the number of chromosome is how many chromosome? 46 or 23 pairs. Okay, among them 22 pairs, মানে total number 44 are autosomes and the remaining pairs is the sex chromosome. Between male and female, autosome is same. Okay, 22 pairs is autosome. Autosomes play a role in physical and embryonic development and the formation of the body of organism which have no part in determination sex. The two sex chromosomes are marked with X and Y. Here the chart, this is the symbol of male and this is the symbol of female. Here the gamete is X and Y, both are different, and here the gamete is X and X, both are same. Here X gamete fused X, so XX, so offspring will be daughter, and here Y gamete and fused X, so XY, and gamete will be son. Okay, XX and XY. The chart is masked in the figure D. Okay, without the chart you did not get proper mark. They play X and Y. Okay, marks X and Y. They play a significant role in determining sex. In female, in the diploid cells, both sex chromosome X, that means XX. In male, two chromosome, one is X and another is Y. Both the chromosome are long in structure and the rod shaped, but Y chromosome is shorter than the X chromosome. Okay, here Y chromosome is short than X chromosome. At the time of the development of the egg, meiosis occurs and every egg possesses an X chromosome along with other chromosomes. But in case of a male, at the time of the formation of sperm, half the number of sperm X chromosome and half number sperm contain Y chromosome. An egg can be fertilized with either type X or Y. Okay, this X chromosome between two X or this X chromosome fused either X nor Y. Okay, so a zygote can have both the chromosome as type X or can have one X and the other Y. The baby which is born having both chromosome X, XX. Okay, so this will be a baby girl. Okay, and the baby who is born with the chromosome of type X and the other one Y will be a baby boy. Okay, so this is XX, so girl, and this is XY, so baby boy. In determination sex, a mother plays no role. Okay, a mother plays no role because the mother always produces eggs containing only X chromosome. Here you see mother contain X chromosome. Okay, here they have no different chromosome. Okay, on the other hand, the father produces sperms having both X and Y. So father will be responsible for the baby X and son or daughter. Okay, here some important question for number 1 and 2. Okay, first one, how does plus this creative question is very important because Joshore board and Kumilla board, okay, both board 2019 this creative question. Okay, Joshore and Kumilla board. So this type of creative question is very important, and from this chapter DNA structure is must. Okay, this question is very important. Here some question, how does placenta act as excretory organ of human body? Okay, this is the question for 2 number, excretory organ of human body. This is the number of 2. The excretory organ of human body is kidney. Excretory organ আমাদের দেহে, the excretory organ of human body is kidney. Kidney removes metabolic waste product from the body. Placenta is a temporary organ which also acts as kidney. Metabolic waste product is diffused from the embryonic blood capillaries into the mother's blood stream. In this way, the waste products are eliminated from fetus body. Then what is diploid? Okay, haploid, diploid, you know that what is haploid and what is diploid. What is diploid? Diploid means twice n. Diploid means two set of chromosomes. Okay, the cell which contains two set of chromosome is called diploid cell. One set chromosome from mother and another cell chromosome from father. Okay, this is twice n. So diploid means two set of chromosome. This is the number of 1. What do you mean by tumor and cancer? You know, irregularity cell division. Okay, irregularity cell division. Tumor and cancer are the results of irregular cell division. If the control of mitosis cell division is lost due to any reason, cell division continue is an irregular way. This result in the formation of tumor and cancer. Okay, two genes E6 and E7 of the papilloma virus produce a chemical substance that replaces the two protein molecule which control cell division. As a result, the controlling factor of cell division is eliminated and tumor is formed. Okay, first time tumor is formed. Sometimes these two genes ঠিক আছে elongates with those of host cell and stop the functions of protein molecules that control increase of cell. Okay, thus develop cancer cells. So the virus is known as papilloma virus and the gene E6 and E7 is. This is the number of 2 question, tumor or cancer. Then go to define adaptation. Adaptation 1 long question. Okay, adaptation. Adaptation is the process of change by which an organism or a species becomes better suited of its environment. Okay, adaptation is the process to change by which an organism or a species becomes better suited to its environment. পরিবেশের সাথে সামঞ্জস্য রাখার জন্য তারা হচ্ছে অ্যাডাপ্টেশন. ওকে, অ্যাডাপ্টেশন ইজ দ্য প্রসেস অফ চেঞ্জ হতে হবে, হ্যাঁ, চেঞ্জ বাই হুইচ অ্যান অর্গানিজম অর এ স্পেসিস বিকামস বেটার সুইটেড টু ইটস এনভায়রনমেন্ট. দেন গো টু হোয়াট ডু ইউ মিন বাই interspecific and intra-specific struggle. This is the number of 2, 2 long question. What do you mean by intraspecific? First one, interspecific. For example, a frog eats an insect and a snake eats a frog. A peacock eats both snake and frog. Thus only due to physical need, hunger. Okay, a cruel relationship develop. ঠিক আছে, a cruel relationship develop among different species where each species plays the role of food or consumer. This is known as interspecific. Okay, and intra, one is inter and another is intra. Intraspecific means as the same species has the same habit and the same food habits, when their number increases, they compete among themselves for survival. For example, when in an island the number of herbivorous animals increases, the fight for the food and shelter among themselves. Then go to number 6. What is dopamine? What is dopamine? Dopamine is a neurotransmitter. Okay, neurotransmitter present in the body which is a precursor of adrenaline like substance. Okay, dopamine 1, Then what is gene? You know that. What is gene? The unit of controlling all the visible and invisible signs and characters of organism is called the gene. Then go to 8. What is evolvere? What is evolvere? Evolvere is related in evolution. Therefore, evolvere is the Greek word from the evolution. Okay, evolvere. Evolvere. Evolvere is a Greek word from the evolution. Then, what does it mean by survival of the fittest? Survival of the fittest. Okay, what does it mean by? This is the answer of number 2 question. The organism which win the competition in struggling through adaptation are selected by nature and reproduce at a greater rate. On the other hand, organism which cannot adjust to the new change, okay, cannot survive and gradually become extinct. যারা পরিবেশের সাথে টিকতে পারবে না, মানিয়ে নিতে পারবে না, তারা আস্তে আস্তে কী হয়ে যাবে? এক্সটিন্ট হয়ে যাবে। According to Darwin, the organism which can survive in unfavorable condition by adaptation should be addressed as the fittest. Okay, thus it can be easily said that the fittest organism survive by winner the competition through adaptation. Last question, which is called the perfect master of heredity? Okay, which is called the perfect master of heredity? You think gene is called the perfect master of heredity. Okay, gene is called the perfect master of heredity. The unit of controlling as the visible and invisible sign and character of organism is called the genes. Genes are positioned throughout the chromosome of organism. The location of a gene throughout a chromosome is called locus. For a specific characteristic, a gene is responsible. In some cases, a characteristic is expressed through cooperative action of several genes. Okay, এটা difference হতে পারে. In other cases, one gene control more than one character. From different research, it is clear that a gene is the perfect master of heredity. So, these are the some important question for question of A and B, and this is the another creative question today's. Okay, so that's all. Till then, Allah Hafiz. See you later. Okay.